This is a pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a steal with less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.